You've just logged into Valorant ready to queue with your friends only to be hit with that dreaded message, your account is restricted, and the infamous error code VALORANT. Instantly, your heart sinks, a wave of panic washing over you as thoughts race. Did I get banned? Is my account gone forever? All my skins, all that progress gone? It's a terrifying feeling, especially when you have no idea why it happened, leaving you feeling helpless and frustrated. Nobody wants to be locked out of their favorite game, wondering if their hard-earned progress and purchases are suddenly inaccessible. But take a deep breath, because you're not alone in this, and more importantly, this isn't necessarily the end of your Valorant journey. In this video, we're going to dive deep into what causes VALORANT, and more importantly, walk you through the precise steps to get your account unrestricted and back into the action. So what exactly is VALORANT screaming at you? Simply put, this error usually pops up when Riot Games detects suspicious or potentially unauthorized activity on your account. Think of it as their security system hitting the emergency brakes to protect you, because they might suspect your account has been compromised or accessed by someone else. It's their way of saying, hold on a minute, something doesn't look right here, and we need to verify things before allowing further access. Before you even think about contacting Riot, there are a couple of crucial things you should do immediately to secure your account. First off, change your Riot Games password to something strong and unique. Don't use a password you've used anywhere else. Secondly, it's a really good idea to run a full scan on your computer for any malware or viruses, just to rule out any security threats on your end that might have led to suspicious activity. Now for the most critical step in resolving VALORANT, submitting a ticket to Riot Games Player Support. This isn't just an option, it's pretty much the only way to get this specific restriction lifted, as they need to investigate the security flags. Head over to the official Riot Support website, select Valorant, and choose the account billing or purchases category to submit a ticket, making sure to include VALORANT and a detailed explanation of your situation. Be patient, as their security team will need time to thoroughly review everything. Once you've contacted support, they'll guide you through the recovery process, which might involve verifying ownership of your account to prevent this headache from happening again. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication on your Riot account immediately. It's a super effective shield against unauthorized access. Always be wary of phishing emails or links that ask for your login details, and never share your password with anyone ever. Following these steps greatly increases your chances of a swift recovery and a more secure Valorant experience moving forward.